In this video, I will explain you how to charge an atom, that is electrification. Okay. Now, we have an atom with atomic number 4, which means 4 positive charges and 4 negative charges. What are positive charges? Protons carry positive charge. And what are negative charges? Electrons carries negative charge. So 4 atomic number means it has 4 proton inside. So to neutralize, we have 4 electrons in the orbit. So what is the net charge here? Net charge is equal to 0. Now, in the previous video, I have explained you to charge a substance by negative value, or to negatively charge we need to add electron, and to positively charge we need to remove electron. Now why can't it be adding protons gives positive charge and removing protons negative charge? That is also a possibility, right? And see, I will explain the reason here. So first we will go to case for charging by -1. So to charge this atom by -1, one option is adding electron. So that will become 4 electrons, and 4 electrons here already we have 5 electrons and plus 4 protons. So -5 plus 4 will be -1. And another case is removing proton. So this will be 3 proton, so 4 electron. After one removal, that will become 3 proton, so that will be -4 plus 3, this is equal to -1. But one thing is, proton is heavier than electron. Mass of proton is 1837 times mass of electron. So just take a case, I have one pen, I can easily lift the body, but if I am having 1837 numbers of pen in my hand, is the mobility will be possible? Mobility is nothing but the easiness for the movement. So can I move it so easy? No. So one case is mass of proton is heavier than mass of electron, so thereby it cannot be taken out. But the very important reason is not the comparison with mass, the comparison with electrostatic force and nuclear force. Now, these electrons are attracted by protons with electrostatic force. That is, negative charge will be attracted by positive charge, and these are called as electrostatic forces. Like charges, positive and positive will repel, positive and negative will attract. Okay, so when I am taking an electron, which electron can be easily taken out? This electron can be easily taken out, because here the force will be stronger, here the force will be weaker, far away, right? I can easily take an electron, and I got one more advantage, electron is very lightweight. Okay, I can easily take an electron. But inside proton, see, it is positive and positive charges kept at a very short distance. Now see, compare the size of an atom with a football stadium. So the size of the football can be represented as size of a nucleus. See, so size of a nucleus when compared with a football stadium, that is size of a football in a football stadium. So football stadium, the whole thing is a atom here. So at that small space we are keeping 4 protons. Now the force in between nucleons means inside nucleus, which are the elements we can see? Protons and neutrons. So force of attraction between proton and proton and neutron are coming under nuclear force of attraction. Now these are bound together with strong nuclear force, and in class 11 you have learned the strongest force is nuclear force. So it is very, very difficult to take a proton out of nucleus. So you have to mention 2 reasons, one is mass and other one is this is held by nuclear force and this is held by electrostatic force, and that too we can't easily take this electron out, but we can take the electrons in the outermost shell because it is at weaker attractive force. Okay, now one thing is clear, it is electron movement that creates charges. When electrons are added, negative charge. Whenever electrons are given out, positive charge. Now, here I will explain you about triboelectric series or electrostatic series. In the last video I have told you, when we create rubbing in between two materials, charging will be done. Okay, so if there is friction, so this creates a charge in one body. This creates a charging. So my hair may lose electron, my hair may gain electron. Now what factor will determine which object will gain electron, which object will lose electron? That is triboelectric series or electrostatic series. Now in this series, take any two element, then if you are doing rubbing in between that two material, then former will get positive charge, later will get negative charge. For example, glass and resin is nothing but plastic itself. Okay, or you can take glass and silk. Now if I am taking a silk surface, okay, silk, and if I am rubbing it with glass will become positive and silk will become negative. So this is former, this is later. Positive means this will give an electron to this. So when this accepts electron, this will become negative charge. When this will be gives out electron, that will become positively charged. Just take an example. One electron gone out, 4 electrons and 4 positive. 3 electrons and 4 positive. That will be 1 positive. Now to here, if 1 electron is coming, that is 5 electron and 4 positive. That is 1 negative. Clear? Now the same silk, when I am taking, when we are rubbing with a sulfur rod, what will happen? Silk is former, that will be positively charged, sulfur is negatively charged, which means this will give an electron to this. So this will lose electron and this will gain electron. Okay, now very important relation, that is mass relation. What will happen to the mass of an object when we do charge a body? That we will cover in the next video. Thank you.